Is there a phone number I can call to activate my Lloyds Contactless Card?
Welcome! In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of activating your Lloyds Contactless Card. This process is very important to ensure the security of your card and to allow you to start using it. Let's get started.
What number should I call?
To activate your Lloyds Contactless Card, you will need to call the Lloyds Card Services. You can usually find their number on the sticker on the front of your new card. However, as of the last update in September 2021, the general number to reach Lloyds Card Services is 0345 606 2172. If you are calling from abroad, the number to dial is +44 1702 278 272. Please note that these numbers could have changed, so it's always a good idea to check the most recent information from the Lloyds Bank official website or your card materials.
What information do I need?
When you call the card services number, you'll be asked to provide some information to verify your identity and activate your card. This typically includes your card number, your account number and sort code, your personal information, such as your date of birth and address, so please have these details at hand when you're ready to call.
What do I do after I call?
After calling the card services number and providing the necessary information, your card should be activated and ready for use. You should be able to start using your card for contactless payments, online purchases, ATM withdrawals, and more. And that's it. We hope this guide has helped clarify the process of activating your Lloyds Contactless Card. Remember, ensuring that your card is activated is crucial to your card's security and functionality. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Lloyds customer service for further assistance. Enjoy your new contactless card.